Check that out, guys. Blizzard warning. Snow to begin at 12:45. Wow. I can't remember a time in my life where we had a blizzard warning. Of course, things have changed. I've been in a blizzard. 1978, we had a blizzard. See, I don't know how old I was. I was in junior high, 7th or 8th grade. And it took the Army Corps of Engineers to dig my town out that I lived in with huge bulldozer. I don't know if a D9 was made back then or not, but it was the biggest dozer I'd ever seen at that point in my life. I thought it was a monster machine. But it took them almost 3 weeks to get to us, and we didn't go to school for, oh man, 6 or 7 weeks. It was unbelievable. We had 25 and 30-foot drifts all over, so it was horrible. I wanted to tell everybody, wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I hope you had a Merry Christmas, or you're having one still. And it was a good one here. Got me some coffee. Tim Hortons coffee for Christmas, and it's a little creamy. Normally I drink mine black, but it's a little creamy because I got about 3 or 4 shots of Bailey's Irish cream with a hint of caramel in it. Love that stuff. But thumbs up on the Tim Hortons for sure. That's good coffee. So that could be habit forming for me. I'll be ordering that stuff online from here to eternity probably. But anyway, got the Jeep in here, ready to blast out into the impending doom if we need to go anywhere. I think we're pretty prepared. We got fresh batteries in all of our lights. The Jeep is filled up with fuel, and Pink seems to be enjoying herself on the Jeep. How you doing, Pink? You have anything to say? Pink? Yeah. Good old Pink. She knows what's going on. She knows how to deal with herself in the wintertime. Poor Hank, he doesn't. He just goes berserk. Sometimes he runs laps in here. And then he runs outside, figures out it's cold, and turns around as fast as he can and comes right back in. It's hilarious. But got the wood hoard up. That's a pretty good jag of wood right there. We probably got enough wood right there and in the wheelbarrow for a week. So no issues there. I just hope we don't lose our power. We're supposed to have 50 mile an hour winds and up to or more than a foot of snow. So that's a pretty good jag. I remember back in '78 when we had our blizzard, we had as much as 20. There was places in the county that I live in that had as much as 22, 23 inches of snow. But the winds were bad too. I don't know how bad they were. I don't remember, but I don't know if it's as bad as this is coming or what. But there's Hank. What are you doing, Hank? What are you doing, buddy? Yeah, Hank, he just doesn't know what to do in the winter. He doesn't want to be in here, but then as soon as he runs out, he's just like an adolescent. He just doesn't know what he's doing. So anyway, I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. And yeah, we're ready for the impending doom. And as well as I got some power in my camera, which I think I got my camera sorted out. I had some camera problems here a week or two ago. I dropped it and the battery flipped out of it, and I couldn't get it to connect back up. It had bent some stuff on it, and I think I got it sorted out though. But anyway, yeah, that's where we're at, guys. And if you're in the path of the storm, I hope everything will be alright. looks like it's going to be a whopper. So we'll turn the camera on in the morning when I get up and see what we got going on, and you know, keep your fingers crossed that maybe it won't snow at all, but it don't look like it. It's coming. It's only about oh, it's within 100 miles of me now on the radar. So let's see here, see if my see if I got the radar on my phone yet. Yeah, here we go. Let me get my crap put together here so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. The little man there in the center above the inn in Indianapolis is me, and yeah, here comes the stuff heading right for us. So another one of those big storms. You know, we had that one here a week or 10 days ago. I think it caught some of the guys that live more in the middle of the country, in the plain states, dumped on them, and you know, this one here looks like it's revving up to be a mean one here. So alright guys, that's about all I got right now, and we'll turn the camera back on here in the morning and see what's happening. So you all take it easy and have a good one.